You want a bite? You want a bite? You're a ham. Here. You're a ham. You want a bite? You know what's up, huh? So you're taping me. I gotta be cute. And talk with food in my mouth. And be a crazy boy.
I have a picky eater on my hands. And when her diet started to affect her development and growth, our pediatrician
Oh yeah?
Pediasure. It provides
Talking with applesauce, huh?
balanced nutrition. So it helps fill the holes.
You're funny.